Hello folks, this is Keith at Down Redwood Groves, and today we're going to make cookies. Now, not the cake that you eat, but the stuff out of logs. Every time I say cookies, my daughter gets all excited. She thinks we're making cookies for something to eat, but no. We're making cookies for woodworking art. So I had a bunch of cherries here, and I didn't feel like turning it into firewood. I got enough firewood right now. These are all 8 to 9 inches in diameter. So I cut the logs to be the maximum that the saw can fit, and I've screwed them down to a board that I have. It's 2 inches thick. I think it's 14 inches wide. And what we're going to do today is we're going to cut these logs into 8-quarter cookies. So stay with me. Let's have some fun. Okay, so my first pass is really just to clean the tops off, get these things all nice parallel. I won't get them all, but then the next pass I'll get it clean and we'll start making a bunch of cookies every time we make a swing. Let's have fun. Well, that wasn't fun. Take 2. Alright, I'm sorry about that. My phone overheated and shut down, so I don't know where we are on what it got, but here's where we are. I took a few cookies off and we'll keep on going.